Hi, today's video is about stars and space, I guess, because today at school we had this thing called Enrichment Week, and what we did was we looked at stars, and to be honest, it was really quite cool, even though I didn't admit that at the time, because I would have got kind of, nerded at, because I'm a bit of a nerd like that, but I thought it was quite good. So, if you want to try stargazing, there's a few things you need. You're going to need your telescope to look at those funky stars. Yeah. This is a very wonderful telescope. And you're going to need some gloves. That's one. Here's the other. Because it's cold and you don't want to get chilly hands. And you're also going to need a notepad. Because to draw pictures such as pictures of a saucepan. That's the wrong way around. It's more like that, really. But then it would be like... yeah, that'll do. Pictures of a saucepan. No. Yeah, whatever. Right, do you want to see something really cool? I have the Big Dipper on my arm. If you can see, it kind of starts there. And then, look, there's the dipper bit. But there's another spot mole thing up here. But basically, I have a constellation, although you'll find something different out later, on my arm. So on with the next bit of the video, which I hope you will enjoy. But just to finish this up, if you like to go stargazing, go somewhere where there aren't any street lamps and take a smartphone with a good app on it or something like that, or a book or a star wheel thing, and just look at the stars, because actually they are quite cool, But there are some pretty interesting facts about space too, if, well, space interests you. So I'm going to give you 10 cool facts about space, because I'm a massive geek nerd and I really like space. So the first one is, if you put Saturn in water, it would float. Number 9. We're moving through space at the rate of 330 kilometers a second. The moon is drifting away from the Earth. We're very sad about that. This isn't a very good drawing. No, it's not. It doesn't really look like a raindrop. Anyway, the next one. The light hitting the Earth right now from the sun, which there isn't any because, well, it's raining, is 30,000 years old, which is kind of cool, The sun loses up to 1 billion kilograms a second due to solar winds. The Big Dipper is not a constellation, it is an asterism. In fact, it isn't a constellation because it's part of a bigger constellation called Ursa Major, which looks like a bear when you join it all up, and it is here. You can see, obviously, it's not actually part of it. Uranus was once called George's star. I can tell you why, because Sir William something was given the honour of naming the star when he discovered it, and he named it Georgium Sidus, or George's star, after King George III at the time. The third, yes. The Earth has at least 4 moons. I'm not going to explain this. If you want to know more, search it, because it's interesting, right? Here's one I quite like, because I'm musical and this is about a violin. I hate violins, I want to burn them, but still. Sunspot activity may be the primary reason for the beautiful sound of Stradivarius violins, which is so beautiful. Right. If 2 pieces of metal touch each other in space, they become permanently stuck together. So if you took a paperclip and a car, they would get married in space. Isn't that delightful? So there is some 10 funky facts about space, and now I'm going to show you some beautiful pictures, so here we go. Okay, now they're beautiful. So if you liked this video, I hope it was nice and informative. I didn't really tell you anything or teach you anything, but it was nice to to see some nice constellations, you know, and learn some cool facts. But if you want to know more, feel free to search it or comment questions below, and if you have any questions about space, I'll answer them in the next video. If you ever have any questions, just put them in the comment section and I'll make a specific video to answer it with. So comment, subscribe, like, you know, the whole deal. Bye.